Should've known your mind was calling. Girl, let me provide your needs. Freaky girl under the sheets. With your love when things start slowing down, I know you got me, baby.
Hi guys, I'm Engine Cadet Quaresma. I'm here to discuss the ROVs or remotely operated vehicles as a new technology and as an aid to the compliance to marine environmental protection. Remotely operated vehicles have emerged as a crucial tool in promoting marine environmental protection by enabling efficient and safe monitoring, inspection, and intervention in underwater environments. Their ability to operate remotely, often in challenging and hazardous conditions, makes them ideal for assisting in compliance with various environmental regulations. Remotely operated vehicles enable to monitor and data collection. ROVs equipped with high-resolution cameras, sonar system, and various sensors can collect valuable data on marine ecosystems, pollution levels, and the health of underwater infrastructure. This data is essential for assessing the impact of human activities. ROVs can monitor the effects of oil spills and plastic pollutions and other forms of marine pollution. Tracking marine life, ROVs can observe and track endangered species such as whales and sea turtles. ROVs inspection and maintenance. ROVs are widely used for inspecting and maintaining underwater infrastructure, including oil and gas pipelines. Can detect leaks, corrosions, and other damage to pipelines, ensuring the safety. Inspect and repair. Subsea cables that provide vital communication and energy infrastructure, preventing disruptions and ensure reliable services. Intervention and remediation. ROVs can be used to collect oil from seabed and transport into the surface for disposal. ROVs can remove debris, including plastic, from the seafloor, helping to reduce pollution and protect marine life. ROVs can be used to cut fishing lines or other debris that may have entangled marine animals, preventing injuries and death. Benefits of ROVs for marine environmental protections. ROVs eliminate the needs for divers to enter hazardous water environments, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. Increase efficiency. ROVs can operate for extended periods and cover large areas, making them more efficient than traditional method of monitoring and inspection. Reduce environmental impact. Have a minimal impact on marine ecosystem compared to traditional methods, reducing disturbance and damage. ROVs can also present some challenges. Cost. ROVs can be expensive to purchase, operate, and maintain. Technical expertise. Operating ROVs requires special training and expertise. ROVs are valuable tool for promoting marine environmental protection by enabling efficient and safe monitoring, inspection, and intervention in underwater pollution. Their ability to collect valuable data, inspect infrastructure, and perform remediation tasks makes them essential for compliance with environmental regulation and the prevention of marine ecosystem. As technology continue to advance, ROVs are likely to play an even greater role in safeguarding our ocean for future generations.